Hey friends, if Windows was unable to repair the drive, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to perform a check disk scan on your system. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command chkdsk /r /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again to run the check disk scan. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, obviously, if everything else fails and you're not able to replace the drive, then you will have to change the drive. And if you're using an HDD one, I suggest you to buy an SSD drive. It doesn't cost much, around $50 to $60 for a cheaper one, and maybe even less. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.